Hello my dear children, let's start our maths class. Okay, so in the last class we have learned two new terms. Which are the terms we have studied? Face value and place value of a digit in the given number. Okay, today we are going to study how we can write the expanded form of a number. Okay, so listen here children. Expanded form of a number means it is the sum of the place values of each digit in the given number. Okay, expanded form of a number means it is the sum of the place values of each digit in that number. Okay, so let's do one example, then the concept will be clear to you. Okay, now I am going to write a 6-digit number. Okay, 1, 3, 7, 4, 4, 7, 8. Okay, how many digits are there? This is a 6-digit number. Okay, first I am going to write the places from the right. Here it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, how we can read this number? This is 1,37,478. Okay, then let's write the expanded form of this number. Okay, once again children, what is meant by expanded form? Expanded form is, it is the sum of the place values of each digit. Okay, so we are starting from this side. Okay, what is the place value of a digit? We already studied. Place value of a digit is equal to face value of that digit into value of that place. Okay, so here what will be the place value of 1? Place value of 1 is face value of 1 into value of this place. So what is the face value of 1? It is 1 into 1 is in which place? Lakh place. So value of this place is 1 lakh. So 1 into 1 lakh. Okay. Next, plus. Then place value of 3. 3 is in 10,000 place. So place value of 3 is 3 into 10,000. 3 into 10,000 plus. Here 7 is in 1,000 place. So place value of 7 is 7 into 1,000. 7 into 1,000 plus. Here 4 is in 100 place. So place value of 4 is 4 into 100. 4 into 100 plus. Here 7 is in tens place. So place value of 7 is 7 into 10 plus. Here 8 is in which place? Ones place. So place value of 8 is 8 into 1. That is 8 into 1. Okay. So this one we can also write it as, what is 1 into 1 lakh? 1 into 1 lakh is 1 lakh itself. So 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 is 30,000. 30,000 plus 7 into 1,000, 7,000 plus 4 into 100, 400 plus 7 into 10, 70 plus, what is 8 into 1? 8. So this is the expanded form of this given number. Okay, let's do one more problem. Okay, let's do one more problem to write the expanded form of a number. Okay. Okay, I am going to write a 5-digit number. So it is 25,308. Okay, 25,308. This is a 5-digit number. So to write the expanded form, first I am going to write the places from the right side. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, next we can write the expanded form. Expanded form means it is the sum of the place values of each digit. So starting from here 2 is in 10,000 place. So place value of 2 is 2 into 10,000 plus 5. 5 is in 1000 place. So place value of 5 is 5 into 1000 plus here 3 is in 100 place. So place value of 3 is 3 into 100 plus 0 is in tens place. So place value is 0 into 10 plus 8 in ones place. So place value is 8 into 1. Okay, this one we can also write it as 2 into 10,000, that is 20,000. 20,000 plus 5 into 1000, that is 5,000 plus 3 into 100, that is 300 plus what is 0 into 10? Any number multiplying with 0, the answer will be 0 itself. So no need to write that. Then plus 8 into 1, that is plus 8. So this is the expanded form of this given number. Okay. So next, all of you take your text. In your text, page number 48. Okay, you have exercise 3. In exercise 3, fourth question. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Here A and C. Here I have explained it for you. B is that. Which number is that? 75,173. That one you can do it as homework. Okay. Read the next question. Fifth question. Write the short form of the following numbers. That means there expanded form is given. Expanded form is given. You want to write the short form. Okay, you want to write the short form of that expanded form. Okay, which is the first one? A. This is the first one. 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 30,000. 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 6. So this is the expanded form given. We want to write the short form of the number. Okay. So for that, first check the biggest number. Which is the greatest number? Greatest number here, it is 1 lakh. Starting from 1 lakh. 1 lakh means it is a 6-digit number. 6-digit number. That means, children, in the short form, there it is short form, the number will be 6-digit number. Okay, that is 6-digit number means the number will have 6 places. Okay, so first we can write the 6 places from the right side. Which are the 6 places? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh place. Okay, these are the 6 places from the right side. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Next, we want to find the numbers. The numbers. Okay. So in the expanded form, we can start from the right side. Okay. So which is the first one? 6. 6. 6 is in only 1-digit number. 6. 6 is in ones place. That means in the short form, in the ones place, the number will be 6. Okay. The number will be 6. Okay. Then check the next number. Here 70. 70. It's a 2-digit number. Here 7 is in which place? 7 is in tens place. That means in the short form, in the tens place, the number will be 7. Okay. Then check the next number. 100. 100. Here 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. So that means in the short form, in the hundreds place, the number will be 1. Okay. Then check the next number. 2,000. In 2,000, 2 is in thousands place. That means in the short form, we have 2 in thousands place. Okay. Next, 30,000. That is 3 is in 10,000 place. That means in the short form, we have 3 in 10,000 place. Okay. Next, 1 lakh. Here in the lakh place, we have 1. That means here in the short form, in the lakh place, we have 1. Okay. So this is the short form for this expanded form. Okay. So then we can put the commas now after ones period, then after thousands period. Okay, let's do one more problem. I am going to write B. Okay, B also. What is the given expanded form? 5 lakh plus 60,000. 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 7. So, we want to write the short form of this expanded form. Okay, for that, which is the greatest number here? It is 5 lakh. 5 lakh. That means 6-digit number. That means in the short form we have 6 digits. So we can write 6 places first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, then lakh place. Then we can write the numbers. We can start from right side of the expanded form. So here, which is the first number, 7 in ones place. So we can write 7 in the short form, ones place. In the ones place, the number will be 7 here. 80, that is 8 in the tens place. So in short form, in the tens place, we will have 8. Okay. Then 400, 4 is in 100 place. So in the short form, we have 4 in the 100 place. Then 5,000. Here 5 is in thousands place. That means in the short form, in the thousand place, we have 5. Then 60,000. 6 is in 10,000 place. That means in the short form, we have 6. Then 5 lakh. That means in the short form, we have 5 in the lakh place. So this is the number. We can put commas also after ones period and after thousands period, which is this number, 5,65,487. Okay, children, one more expanded form is given, C. That one also you can do it as homework. Okay, I think all of you understood the concept, how we can write the expanded form of a given number. Okay, so that's all for today, children. Thank you.